Welcome to a tutorial on how to do Padlet. I am going to show you how to create an assignment using Padlet. First, you are going to go to padlet.com and it will generally open up a place for you to log in or create an account. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to have to log in or create an account. Now, I always create an account with my CI email address. And so I will have you go ahead and do the same. Once you are logged in, you are going to click Make a Padlet. The first thing that I am going to do is actually delete one of my previous Padlets. So the reason that I am deleting one is because you can only have 3 Padlets for free at a time. So if you have, that's important to remember because you can only use 3 Padlets in one course, or if you want to use it in various courses, you would just have to use 1 Padlet per course. So click Make a Padlet. And the Padlet that I like the most is the wall. So I'm going to show you that one, but there are other options. So when you select wall, it's going to open one and it's going to automatically set the background. And over here on the right is where you are going to customize it. So I am going to call this Padlet Assessment Exercise. And in the description is where you would put your instructions, which I already drafted in a Microsoft Word file. And so I'm going to put that in there, and you will be able to revise it if you want. You can add an icon, you can change the wallpaper to just a solid color if you wanted. I think that what I'm wanting is to show you guys that you can add some cool like backgrounds. So maybe since this course is in the summer, I could see if there is something kind of summery. Let's see. This one looks like the ocean, so we'll do that one. And then at the very bottom here, you can say, allow viewers to comment on posts. I do want you guys to be able to do that, so I need to select that to be open. Display author name. Yes, always select that. That really helps out a lot. And that should be it. And then you're going to click next, start posting. Now, in order to share it, you're going to come and click up here, and it says visitors can write. Copy link to clipboard is perfect, and then you can paste it into your Canvas assignment where you tell them about the assignment. In order to add a post, you're going to click down here, Add Post. So in this exercise, I say in this assessment lab Padlet, I want you to create an account using your CI email address. There are 2 steps to this assignment. 1, add a post in which you introduce yourself, tell your peers what courses you teach and how you might use Piktochart and or Padlet in one of your courses. And 2, respond to someone else's post by providing them with an idea of how they could use Padlet and or Piktochart in one of the courses they listed in their introduction. So when you click here, you can title your post. So I might say Padlet Health 309 idea. And I'm going to post something as an example of how to post. Hi. Let's see. See what's going on. It's like, oh, there we go. I wasn't reading my keyboard. Okay, so hi, I'm Kristen Minton, an assistant professor in health science and academic assessment director here at CI. And then I'm going to say I commonly teach health, a course, Health 309 Research Methods. In this course, I use Padlet to encourage students to reflect on readings, on assigned weekly readings. And then as students or others add here, their posts come on the side, and then you will see down here how you can comment. You just click on it and type anything you want. This is an example of a comment. And then it will show that I commented there, but someone else can comment as well. So now when you have your link here, you can go ahead and actually input that into Canvas. So I am just going to add it to this content area. So you just read this article, and then I'm asking you to think about times that you could use these products. And then I am going to post the link to it here. But I think actually what I want to do is give you the instructions for the Padlet there in the actual text box. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to link out to the Padlet directly. So I'm going to go and copy that and put it here. And that is it. That is how to create a Padlet and then kind of insert it into an assignment. If you wanted to create an actual assignment that is graded for your course, then you would have to go and create an assignment, and then you would provide a link to the Padlet in the description of the assignment. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create a Padlet. If you have any questions, definitely provide them in the discussion board, or go ahead and send me an email, and I will respond to your questions on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Have a great day. Thank you.